It's not cold. Nothing. It's fresh, but not cold. Nothing cold. And it's in cold. Look. Cold. Nowhere. Look. Good. And nothing.
Okay, y'all, I got this refrigerator. It's cool. It's a nice size. I just got it for my gecko lizard food. I didn't want to put his food in my refrigerator, so I just bought this refrigerator for his food. So he got his little worms in here. It's big enough for his food. It's cool. It's pretty cool. It's compact and everything. Fits right under his the table where he's at. And this is him. He's in there. Look at him. And this is his tank. So don't worry about this poop right there, you know. But yeah, I like the refrigerator. I do. I like the refrigerator.
Is that supposed to be normal? Because I originally got it for my skincare, but I put this in to make sure it works. It works and everything, but I'm just worried about that.
A problem with the back of it. The plastic is literally melting. There are burn marks on the inside. This thing will set your house on fire.